This guide will walk you through the process of creating a new consent manager in CCMPro. Follow these detailed instructions to set up your consent management efficiently. Navigate to the email and password fields on our TrustArc platform. Enter your email first in the field provided and click Next. Enter your password in the field provided and click Login to access the CCMPro portal. You will now be redirected to the Scans and Consent tab, which is the default landing page of the CCMPro portal. Click the Add New Scan and Consent button. Enter the desired consent manager or CM name, simply type the name you want. You can include spaces in the name, and there's no need to add a domain extension. Then click Continue to proceed. In Step 1 or the Scan Details page, click on Add URLs to Scan button. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to add the URLs you want to associate with your new consent manager. You can also include the URL of your test page if it's provisioned for your consent manager. Keep in mind that only unique URLs can be added. Add the website URL by clicking on Add Website URLs button. Set up your scan configurations, then click the Save button to enable the Start Scan option. Initiate the scan process by clicking on Start Scan. Wait for the scan status to show Complete. While the scan is running, you can proceed to Step 2 and begin setting up the design. Or to Step 3, where you can configure consent manager settings per location. Once the scan is complete, you will receive an email notification confirming its completion. You can now publish your new consent manager. Keep in mind that you can publish at any step in the process, and make sure to click the Publish button for any changes you'd like to apply to your consent manager. Congratulations! You're now fully equipped to navigate the self-service CCM portal and successfully create a new cookie consent manager.